Kamat jaga Jingwan Rung shnong be an ha Manipur kadang beteng malong kawe na kijing gi bakraw ha ka balong Chief Minister UN Biren Singh ka sorkar ka lapan khlanya ka jing pentri kam da ka ba pentri kam ya ka inner line permit ILP ring ka be ki Cambodian ban Pyrshah ki brio da ka jing thumu ban itu ban khangla ka Jingwan Rung shnong be an
ILP norms.
As per the rules provided under the ILP, the lever only we do allow those who involved in the construction works of government agency and private agency. But those particular 29 people were staying in the name of bakery lever, which is not included in the inner line permit system.
In a related case from April 2021, police arrested Mohammed Ramjan Ali, a Bangladeshi national, in Lilong Bazar, Thoubal district, for illegally residing in Manipur. He was found using an expired passport and impersonating an Indian citizen. Authorities later arrested the person running the agency, Hafiz Salata, along with local accomplices. At the national level, the Ministry of Home Affairs has raised alarms over foreigners fraudulently obtaining Indian identity documents like Aadhaar and voter IDs. Manipur's situation reflects a larger trend. Similar incidents have surfaced across the country, Bangladeshi nationals using forged documents in places like Kolkata, Pynkhlaiñ, and even Pune. Enforcement efforts, including special investigation teams, SITs, are now focusing on dismantling these fraud networks. The key question remains, who will now enforce the efforts to detect and deport illegal immigrants from Myanmar and Bangladesh?